Hello and welcome to MyFinanceTeacher on YouTube. Today is 3rd of September 2017, and let's have a look at some recent interesting price action in gold. Over the last week, geopolitical events, the tensions with North Korea, helped the gold price increase by about $30 to the level of 1330, where we are right now. However, usually geopolitical events don't have a lasting effect on the gold price. As people forget about those events, gold price usually fizzles down a little bit. That's one of the reasons why I expect gold to move down over the next probably 2 or 3 weeks. Another reason for that is that on this 10-day RSI we are already in overbought territory, which indicates a potential for gold price to cool down over the next short term. Yet another reason is the price is relatively stretched far above the 10-day moving average, this blue line on the charts. As you can see, this year, when we had this much of a stretch over the 10-day moving average, generally we were about to enter the declining phase of these shorter term cycles in gold. So that's another reason I expect gold price to move down over the next few weeks. And lastly, in 2017 these shorter term gold cycles lasted for about a month and a half or 2 months. And this shorter term cycle that we're in has been going on for almost 2 months already. So it's in the time band for a declining phase of this shorter term cycle. However, we still are in an advancing phase of an intermediate cycle, and we'll come back to that near the end of this video. For now, however, still talking about the shorter term cycles, let's have a look at some potential levels where the gold price might move to over the next few weeks. So as gold price cools down over the next few weeks, one of the support levels is just below 1300. So we might come down to that level. If that level is breached, another potential support zone is the 50% Fibonacci retracement of this whole rally we've been experiencing since early July. That would be close to 1270, to the price level of 1270. So I expect gold price to go below 1300 over the next few weeks. And after that, once this shorter term cycle finishes, the first in the intermediate cycle, we are going to continue our advancing phase of this intermediate cycle. Talking now about these intermediate cycles, let's have a look at this weekly chart of gold. As I mentioned, I expect a pullback down over the next few weeks, probably 2-3 weeks, and we'll continue this advancing phase of this new intermediate cycle. And an interesting point here is how far are we going to reach within this intermediate cycle. As I mentioned in several of my previous videos, since we have been in this consolidation zone for quite a while within this triangle consolidation zone, usually a breakout that happens after a long consolidation that gathers a lot of strength breaks some significant previous highs. So it's possible that within this intermediate cycle in gold we break this previous high and come close to 1400. That would be nice, wouldn't it? If you think so, click likes under the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.